Sir Joji George Abraham, for spending your valuable time and coming over here. We heard last night you had lots of hardships coming here to the school, but we thank you for accepting our invitation and coming over here, sir. We thank you from the school side. I would also like to thank our guest of honor, Sir Biswajit Sinha, for coming over here and giving your valuable time and also sharing with us and giving us a wonderful speech. We also like to thank all our guests and invitees, especially our MC chairman, our MC members and parents, our dear teachers, and also our Madam Biba. She is very special to us and dear one. We really want to thank you for coming over here and giving your time for this day. It is your presence that has made this program a grand successful one. I would also like to thank all our staff and all those who have labored hard for this program, especially the sport in charges and other Madam Lilies, our Bhumendra. They have gone all the way to Silchar to purchase the material for gifts and other things. I would really like to thank on behalf of the school, especially our sir principal. He is the leader of this institution, and I really want to thank sir for your uplifting and leadership spirit that you have, all the time boosting us at the back, all the time giving us the motivation to do our work. So I really want to thank sir for your hard work and the leadership that you have shown to us. I would also like to thank all our dear children. Most of them has now left, and it is very peaceful, so to say now. So students have left, but we really thank all of them for, it is because of them that we are here. So we really want to thank the students also, their parents and everyone for extending their helping hand. I would also like to give my special thanks to the students of class 9 and 10 who have taken all the hardships for preparing for this day, decorations and other things, everything they have arranged. So I really want to thank everyone. And at the end, I would also like to thank all our dear teachers and everyone who are present here. Really appreciate your time and the concern that you have for all of us. Really thank you for that. And with this, we want to end today's program. We have at the last we have a prayer, and then we will move out from the hall, and then I think we will have a lunch fellowship with all our invitees. Just for announcement is that tomorrow we are having flag hoisting at